Hello everyone! One of my favorite new DePINs is definitely Nubila. I really like the metal body of the Nubila Marco weather station, and the solar panel that comes with it is a nice icing on the cake. But I wanted to release this new video in addition to an update of the rewards to show off the reset button. If you happen to be having trouble charging your Nubila Marco or onboarding connectivity, pressing the reset button on the Marco will help a lot. Of course, only consider the reset button as a last resort if nothing else works. So let's begin. The first thing to try if the LED does not light up is to blow on the Nubila so that it can turn on. If it does not turn on, the second option is to charge the Nubila Marco with a 5-volt charger. If the 5-volt charger also does not work, you need to disassemble the Nubila Marco and press the reset button, then start by unscrewing the screws. After removing the screws, very carefully remove the pieces slowly of your Nubila Marco. Don't pull the USB-C cable too much, but move it backwards to be able to move forward. Once you get to this point, slowly pull down the body of Nubila Marco and you will see the reset button. lights up. Now calmly reassemble everything. Congratulations, you're done! After reassembling and reinstalling your Nubila Marco, check if the device is online or connect it to the internet via Wi-Fi via the app settings. And now the rewards update. Currently you get about 7,500 points per day, and the rewards depend on how many stations are online. The more Nubila are online, the more the rewards decrease. The TGE is expected in Q1 2025 on iotex, with the conversion or airdrop for those who have done the beta depending on the points you have accumulated. In particular, if you ordered at the beginning, you are entitled to your airdrop bonus, which will be distributed after 30 days upon activation of your Nubila Marco via the G Points section in the app. So if you are interested in purchasing the Nubila Marco and joining first as possible, there are the official resellers Ampchampment and HeliumDeploy. In particular, if you buy on HeliumDeploy, the 8,000 points airdrop bonus is still available. And for a discount, you can use the coupon ILCAPOFOX or ILCAPOFOX2 if you want to buy the X3 bundle. While if you are in Europe or nearby countries, I recommend Ampchampment, and you can use the coupon ILCAPOFOX for a 15% discount for both the single Nubila and the savings bundles. If you use my coupons, I thank you very much for supporting the channel. So in conclusion, even if this problem of charging or connectivity can happen, it can be easily solved with the reset button. The Nubila Marco weather station. In addition to being beautiful aesthetically, I really like its metal structure, and the app, even if we are at the beginning, is at an excellent point. I am sure that the project will give great satisfaction. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe to the channel to help me share more contents. Thanks, and happy mining everyone.